What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hop LA Events on Tap,
episode 90.
Holy shit. Covering all the awesome things happening in LA beer this week. And this week we're coming at you guys from House of Billiards once again. And today marks our official wrap-up of LA Beer Week 2019. We were just at Celador for the Sour Friends Fest, slinging some merch, meeting a bunch of cool people.
Drinking some sours.
Drinking some amazing sours.
Yes.
Now we're at the official after party, drinking some delicious beer, reminiscing on LA Beer Week. Yeah, like what was your favorite event this week?
Was the best LA Beer Week we've been a part of thus far, by far. So many really awesome events. The LA Beer Week Kickoff Festival is the best beer event of LA Beer Week. It is always so well run, so many different breweries for you to get a taste. So that's my number one. Wow. You got something else?
Our event that happened at the Glendale Tap, the inaugural Hop LA Hazy IPA Invitational Fest. Amazing beer on tap. So
fun.
Gracious for everyone that came out to that one.
If you weren't there, you missed out.
Better believe we'll do it again next year.
Yeah, so. Definitely. Great LA Beer Week nonetheless. Yeah. And we're happy to wrap it up and can't wait till next year.
All right, so we mentioned we're wrapping up LA Beer Week, but we're not wrapped up just yet. So
nope.
We are still drinking beer today. Gary, what are we drinking?
Yeah, so I'm going light here, closing out LA Beer Week. This is a new lager from State Brewing called Street Parking, 5%, super light, nice and crisp. Can't wait to dig into it.
It's good. This is at last the 1948 English Mild Ale from Yorkshire Square Brewery. This is my ode to Andy Black. Just recently announced he's going to be moving to the East Coast. Still involved in Yorkshire Square and whatnot, but just wanted to raise a glass to our boy Andy. You are an awesome brewer, so can't wait to dig into this one.
Well, without further ado, let's give him a whirl.
Crowbars up.
Relatively one-dimensional, exactly as you'd expect a light lager to be. You got a little bit of kind of bready sweetness from the malt and just super crisp all the way around. A tinge of kind of spiciness from the hops that they're using on this. At 5%, you can't go wrong, especially in these summer months coming ahead.
3.7%. This thing is creamy, a little roasty from the malt. When you're wrapping up a long day at work, you want to pop into the pub and you want to drink exactly this.
Great malt character, nice and creamy. Yeah.
Dig it, Andy. Cheers to you, my man.
We'll miss you.
Yeah. Cheers to Andy Black. We got the beers for the show. Let's get to the beer release radar. Gary, what are we excited about?
This is the third in the Hazy IPA series from Claremont Craft Ales. This is called Starting to Feel Real, 7% Hazy IPA. Amarillo HPC 692, and it sounds really good. And the reason why I'm throwing this on there, I've been kind of sleeping on Claremont just a little bit. I tried a Hazy IPA from them last week, and the thing blew my mind. So I'm really looking forward to trying this new one coming out from them. It's dropping this Saturday the 29th, so look out for it at Claremont or your local bottle shop around town.
All right, let's get into this week's events. We're going to kick it off Wednesday, June 26th at 6 p.m. at Smog City Brewing in Torrance. It's a special beer dinner with Anarchy Seafood, 5-course pairing, $55 a ticket. Sounds really, really good, especially paired up with Smog City's beer. Jump on those if you want to take part.
Then on Saturday, June 29th, it is FerkFest 2019 going down at the Packing House at Anaheim. So yes, it's not LA, it's Orange County, but you're gonna want to check out this event. This is kind of the legit cask beer festival of Southern California. They have so many different breweries pouring. Mac, give me a few of them.
Yorkshire Square, Green Cheek, Beechwood, Modern Times, El Segundo, Firestone Walker, LEL Works, McLeod.
Okay,
Barley
that's
Ford,
enough.
Double
That
Ale
sounds
Works.
amazing.
Okay.
That sounds really, really cool. Also, the food component, it's called Nacho Fest.
Yeah.
So this is put on by Greg Nagel of OC Beer Blog. Cheers to you and everyone else. Buy your tickets.
All right, then on Sunday, June 30th, 12 p.m., it's the final farewell for Iron Triangle Brewing.
Yeah, we get somber for this.
We need to pour one. We can't pour one out on the carpet here at House of Billiards.
Yeah.
We never like to see a brewery go under like that and say their final farewell, but at the end of the day, it is what it is.
It's a piece of history.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
So check out Iron Triangle one last time this week. Close up on Sunday.
That does it for this week's events. Let's head into the previews.
Previews.
All right. right, the only thing that we want to highlight this week in the preview section is Lagerville 2019 at
Ooh.
Figaro Mountain Brewing.
I like
up
this.
in Buellton. Gary, what is this thing all about?
Lagers, light beers that we all enjoy during the summer months. So many lagers, all in one place, all in one festival. Do you imagine how many beers you can drink in a fest like that? I'm really excited about it. You guys should too. If you like nice, light, delicious lagers, you're gonna like this fest a lot. Check it out.
All right, so that does it for this episode of Events on Tap, and that does it for LA Beer Week for us. All right, time to take a little bit of a detox.
Yeah, cheers.
Drink indie.
And drink local.